Welcome to C-Note Tax Solutions. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and update your basic information to ensure a smooth tax filing process. Once logged in, the next step is to complete your profile with your basic information. This will help us tailor your personal tax filing experience. Enter your title, first name, middle name, last name, SIN, date of birth, marital status, gender, residential mailing address, contact information, and a valid ID proof. You can update your profile anytime by clicking on My Account and selecting Edit Profile if you need to make any changes in the future.